Hello everyone. Oh my goodness, it has been such a week. I have missed filming. I've been anxious to sit down and film a video for so long. I just have not had a chance to. So here I am. I'm a little helter-skelter because of just this crazy week that I've had, in good and bad ways. I mean, not necessarily bad, but just it's been hectic and overwhelming in so many different ways. First of all, I just am blown away by the amount of support that I've been shown by the budgeting community here on YouTube. It's been amazing, and I did not expect my channel to just grow. I mean, I'm only at like, I still am at like 70 some subscribers, so it's not like huge by any means, but I just did not expect it to be jumping from where it was last week to where it is now. And so I've been a little overwhelmed in a good way by that. A little overwhelmed by just, I got some orders from my Etsy shop, which is good. But I also, had to restock things, and that was expensive. So I've spent way more money this past week than I planned on. And it just feels like I take 2 steps forward and 1 step back, which I know is part of having a business and getting it started. Especially, you have to spend some money to make money, but oh my goodness. So I've just been so thankful for those orders though too. And it's been so exciting and so fun. I just love making beautiful things and getting to share those items with people. And just, it's such a compliment. I feel like when somebody sees something and they're like, yes, I want that. And they click to order it, and it just makes me feel so happy. And, so anyways, here we go. We're starting with, the coins for Arya's castle here. But yeah, so I had one lady ordered all 10 sets of my holiday envelopes, which was great. So thankful for that. But I was a little overwhelmed because I wanted to restock them. And I'm glad I did, because then right after I relisted them, someone else ordered a set. So that was exciting. But I also had to kind of scramble to get laminating sheets and everything. And anyways, but we figured it out. I also had 2 major projects due for my school, and coming at the end of the semester here, and finishing up all my projects and stuff. So I had one on Friday and one due on Sunday. And between all of that, I'm trying to like remake these envelopes to like relist them and send out orders, and went over to visit my boyfriend and like spent some time with him. And so it's just been so chaotic, but in a good way. And kind of an expensive month. So what do I have left over in groceries? 26, 1 left in gas. And let's see. Oh my goodness, 3 left for Arya. So I'm going to put these ones back here. And these ones back here. As you can see, I've spent way more from my wallet than I have in the past 2 weeks. I don't know why I'm closing it, because I need to restuff this. But yeah, I got everything done. I got my projects done. I got that big order shipped out. I have the other 2 orders ready to ship out tomorrow. And did I say I got my projects done? Yes. Got my projects done, which was huge. I was literally crying when I was finished with them because I was so relieved. I'm so ready to be done with school. I have 1 semester left. Okay, so anyways, this is my cash plan. I did not film this because I was like, I'm just going to do it real quick and I'll film the actual stuffing. But this is it. I am really cutting back this week. Only stuffing like the absolute necessary things with my planned money. And then I will do like mini Monday challenge or Tiny Tuesday, whatever it ends up being, because like it's already Monday when I'm filming this. So, but I'll do that and like put those funds towards my sinking funds and my savings and like my fun stuff, because that money will be kind of extra. It's from tutoring, so I don't feel like, I don't really budget with that money. I just count it as like extra and put it towards whatever I happen to need. But anyway, so this is it. This is our plan for this week, because I'm feeling a little overwhelmed with all the spending that I did last week. 10, 20, 30, 40. And I honestly didn't even, when I was doing my cash unstuffing like 30 minutes ago, I didn't even have like a clear idea of all the money that I have spent, because I didn't take the time to go back and look through every single transaction from my credit card because I was feeling a little overwhelmed. So I kind of just guesstimated based on what I had left in the bank and where I knew it should be, if that makes sense. So dining out is getting 40 this week. Gas is getting 25, 10, 15, 20, 25. And so, yeah, we're just working off of guesses, basically, but definitely cutting back this week because I'm a little scared about where I'm at. It's not bad. It's just, I don't know, not where I'd like to be, I guess. But it has helped to have these envelopes, to have some expenses planned for. That has definitely helped. Okay, so that's my wallet stuffed. So how has y'all's week been? I have been trying to, when I have been working on stuff, or just when I needed a break from doing my schoolwork, I've been loving watching y'all's videos. I've subscribed to almost everyone's channel, I believe, who has followed me or subscribed to me. And if I missed you, let me know, because I would love to subscribe to you and support you in that way as well. This is stress relief tea from Yogi. It's so good. It's like a honey lavender one, and it's definitely what I need right now. I've been so stressed out. My stomach has been in knots, like giving me trouble. Anyways, that might be TMI. But also, look at these beautiful nails. These are $10 Kiss press-ons, and I just love them so much. I tell my students I think they remind me of like fairy core winter, if that makes sense. Because they're just like sparkly and kind of like purpley pink pastel-y, and they're just so fun. And I don't know about y'all, but I feel way more productive and put together when I have cute nails on. I don't know why, but I do. Okay, this is not income. It's going back to the bank, but I don't know where my to the bank envelope is. Okay, I need to stuff $10 to pay for my cell phone plan in January or February, I think. I have a hair appointment in February coming up, so I need $30 in here. 10, 20, 30. Yeah, so we have 2, 4, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. I don't even know how expensive it's going to be, honestly, but what did I even plan for this? Probably like $300, because I feel like with tip and everything, and I get my hair colored, and I'll probably get it cut. So, okay, and then transportation. This is for my car insurance. This is getting 50. It has 51, 110, 115. So it's getting 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. What happened? Wait. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. I'm $10 short. I don't know what happened, but I guess it's getting 40 this week. Okay. All right. There we go. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay. Let me exchange this for some 5s that I have in here. Okay, and then I guess we can put 2 5s in here, make up the difference. I have no idea what happened to that other 10 or 2 5s that I was supposed to put in there, but there we go. Now that has 50. Okay, and now we can decide where these go. So I'm gonna look through here because this is my high priority debt. I can't even keep up with that. I feel like I put stuff in there and then I immediately take it out. Mary Money, I'm doing good on Christmas gifts. I've got Aria most of her gifts. She wanted like a Melissa and Doug pizza truck. And I'm like, baby, I don't know where we're going to even put that because she already has like a kitchen. And I don't think we have space for it. Not to mention it's $100. So I hope she's not going to be too disappointed. I did post on Facebook Marketplace and I asked if anybody had it secondhand that they were trying to, get rid of. But I haven't heard from anyone. So we'll see. Maybe Santa will bring her the pizza truck. Maybe I'll just bite the cost of it. I hate disappointing my kid, I just hate, that was like the one thing. No, she asked for two things. She asked for that, and I'm just looking through these. I just don't want to stuff any of these because these are just boring to me right now. Yeah. She asked for the pizza truck, and she asked for a Play-Doh ice cream maker. And those are the two things that she asked for. So I got her the Play-Doh ice cream maker. But the pizza truck, I just don't know. I just don't know if I can swing that. Have you guys finished your Christmas shopping? I just don't know where to put these dollars. I just don't want to give them up. I gotta decide though. I gotta decide where they're going. Maybe sinking funds. Car Care has 55 right now. I just pulled everything out of entertainment because this weekend we went to Medieval Times. Maybe I'll put 5 back in here. Okay, gift, I think we're good there. Households should probably, let's do 5 in here. And miscellaneous, maybe, yeah, I pulled everything out of, okay, we'll just put these 2 in miscellaneous. Okay, and then Aria's section. This is just her general section. This has quite like a decent amount. 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 34. That's just like her general section. So I know though that I am going to have to get her some clothes. Let's see how much she has in her birthday fund. 30. And what do we have for her? We have $3. I think I'm just going to put these in her clothing fund because her birthday is farther away. It's not till March. And in her clothes, I just like feel like they disappear. So 20, 30, 1, 2, 3. She is just growing so fast and I feel like I cannot keep up. And with the change of seasons, I had kept clothes from last season, like last fall and winter. And I was like, she'll be able to fit in these again. They were size 3 and 4T and she is in like size 6T now and within a year. So she's definitely tall for her age. She's in like the 90 some percentile, so it makes sense. But anyways, I feel like I need a whole new wardrobe for her like every 3 months. So we'll put those dollars in there. And that is it for this video, guys. I'm going to film a like mini Monday right after this. So that should be posted soon after I post this. I'm just trying to get both of them done today. Not just because I want to get it done, but because I've been so excited to film because I just really enjoy it. And it's just fun, and it's fun interacting with you guys and seeing y'all's videos and being inspired by y'all, and just hearing your stories, the things that you guys share with me, or not with me, but with everybody. And anyways, I just wanted to say thank you again so much for the comments that you've been leaving on my videos, and for those of you who have subscribed, just thank you so much for that. And I really look forward to engaging more with y'all. Oh, I also opened a Ko-fi shop. I don't know if y'all saw that, but I am having like 5 days of freebies on there starting today. So I already posted the one for today. And I think they're pretty cute. I hope you guys do too. You can grab them for free. There's no strings attached whatsoever. So it's just a PDF download. You can go grab that on my Ko-fi page, and that is linked in my bio on YouTube. So anyways, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, or whatever it is you're doing. I hope it's a good one, and I'll see you in the next one.